My name is Fernando. The project and the volunteer community maker protects the environment for their other persons. Is the objective is to carry on the educational activities for the children and the youth and the community. And the species objectives is the teaching fields the games to children for example of the children cap the the pictures and different pictures in the, for example, badge and car and train and boat is the to place the different places. For example, and football and basketball is the pitch. Second, the objective to organic was and the management and the organic the bonus for the plants is the protect the environment is the recurse on board the with national dance and prepare the meals and the make the classroom and guard the screen and help to prepare the environment children and volunteers and the community in start work in next month reclaim and on conclusion the community and will the allow the strength and for a better team on the children and in the same way and the teach and management of the organization the volunteers and the leaders act and the goal and communicate collaborate the collage in the children and either person volunteer in the community and work the party different plays for example football and basketball volleyball is the person uh, community uh, the project in community make. Thank you.